Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another really beautiful Chloé to show you today. So this is the Chloé Tess in size small, and this colour is described as motty grey. So it's this gorgeous smooth calfskin leather as well as that suede on the exterior as well. So we've got one longer shoulder strap, and you can see that is adjustable, so we've got it on the middle setting at the minute, and it is also removable. You can see those clips on either side to remove it, and we also have a removable top handle. So again, that's in that lovely calfskin leather and in that gorgeous neutrally grey colour, and then you've got the clips on either side to remove it too. And then we have this feature ring on the front on the flap closure, which has a press stud first, and so that just pops open like that. And then inside, we've got one flap pocket right underneath that flap closure. And then inside the main compartment of the bag, we've got another little flap pocket, which is almost like a card slot size at the back there. So the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very good. You can see just from me showing you like this, how beautiful and how high quality that leather looks. There's just a couple of marks on it for me to show you, and really small ones, so just here, and then just at the bottom here, there's a bit of a mark too. But other than that, you can see it's just a little small mark on the strap, but overall that strap is in a lovely condition, as well as that top handle. And you can see that Chloé embossed into there really nice and easily and clearly. So that is why I've called the exterior very good, because it really is gorgeous. The hardware, there's loads of beautiful hardware on this bag. It makes a lovely feature to the bag. We've called it good because there is just a couple of areas where it's a little bit kind of discoloured and maybe faded and scratched a little bit. So you can see here, we've got a mix of gold and silver tone hardware. But there's just some areas where it is starting to show a little bit of wear. And it's mostly on these buckles for the shoulder strap on the side. That's where it's been sitting and it's rubbed on there. It's just started to fade a little bit. So that's why I've called the hardware good. The interior, we've called it very, very good. It's really pretty much pristine in there. I'll just show you again, but there is just a little mark just up here on that flap closure, so that is why I've called it very, very good, because it is almost pristine inside there. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got the Chloé dust bag. If you wanted to know exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop on our website, so armcandybagco.com, and if you're interested in buying, that's where you've got to go. If it doesn't take you directly to this Chloé Tess, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we're getting in new Arm Candy all the time, every day. So if we get in another one like these, and you wanted to be one of the first to know, all you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, we'll let you know. We'll give you the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So we've got the longer shoulder strap as well as the shorter top handle, both of which are removable. So I'll show you first with the longer strap. So you can pop that on your shoulder like that, or it's nice and long enough so that it pops over your body, cross body like that too. And we've got it again on the middle setting at the minute with that adjustment. And I think that's the perfect length for me. It just sits at a really perfect height. And I love the shape of this. I love the kind of saddly shape. And this big feature ring on the front as well. It gives it a very equestrian look, which is really cool. So that's with the long strap, but if you wanted to pop that long strap off, it's really easy to do that. So just pop those clips off like that and it just slides through. And you do that on either side. So it just pushes in there and slides through like that. So I'll just pop that back on the dust bag. So then you can just have the top handle, so you can hold it on your elbow like that, hold it just handheld, or it's also, even though it is a shorter strap, it is actually still big enough to just pop on your shoulder like that and just sit really nicely as a little under the arm shoulder bag, which is really cute. So a lot of options with this one. So if you wanted more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter. We'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So we would love to see any beautiful arm candy like this Chloé that you have to sell with us. So if you do have any pieces, have a read through that process on the How to Sell with Us page, and you'll find all the details you need to know. So have a look at that. While you're here, like this video, and then also subscribe to our channel, and you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll see you later with some more.